If you want to save money on fuel system cleaning, listen carefully. Every year, drivers spend millions on fuel injector cleaners, hoping to restore power, improve fuel economy, and fix rough-running engines. But here's the problem. Many of those bottles do very little, and some can actually make things worse. In this video, we're breaking down the products that can waste your money, the cleaner types you should avoid, and the real solutions that actually work. Scam number 1. Kerosene-based cleaners. The first type to watch out for is the cheap cleaner that smells like kerosene. These products are usually built around low-cost petroleum solvents. They may sound strong, but they are often too weak to remove serious carbon deposits inside modern engines. Worse, kerosene can reduce fuel octane performance and increase the risk of engine knock, especially in high compression or heavily loaded engines. That means less power, more heat, and potentially more wear over time. If you drive an older vehicle or a car with a less sensitive knock control system, the damage can slowly build up without you noticing until repair costs start climbing. Scam number 2. Products that loosen carbon but don't truly clean it. Some brands have been around for decades and built a strong reputation, but reputation alone does not mean the chemistry is strong enough for modern fuel systems. A lot of these products rely on lighter solvents instead of a serious cleaning agent like PEA or polyethyramine. That matters because modern engines, especially GDI engines, deal with deposits in very hot areas. Weak solvents may loosen carbon, but they do not fully break it down. And when those chunks come loose, they can move deeper into the system, clog injectors, or trigger warning lights. So instead of solving the problem, you may just be moving the mess around. Scam number 3. Budget bottles that are basically fuel blends. Another common trap is the bottle that promises everything: cleaner injectors, better fuel economy, less smoke, and more power. But in reality, some of these products are little more than cheap fuel blends, with a tiny amount of cleaning agent, or none at all. In gasoline engines, using a product that is too weak or chemically off-target can actually make deposits worse instead of better. This is especially dangerous when the product contains low-grade base fluids instead of a real detergent package. The packaging may look convincing, but the bottle may not be doing much at all. Scam number 4. High alcohol products. So, a lot of people just assume that alcohol-based additives are automatically good because, well, they feel clean and dry. But honestly, inside a fuel system, a high alcohol concentration can be a serious problem. Alcohol is hygroscopic, which basically means it absorbs moisture from the air. That can actually pull water right into the fuel system, leading to corrosion, fuel separation, and damage to sensitive components. Plus, it can dry out rubber and plastic seals, including those injector O-rings and fuel system seals. Over time, that can cause hard starts, fuel pressure problems, leaks, and some pretty expensive repairs. This is especially risky if you've got an older vehicle. Scam number 5. Overly aggressive cleaners. Some products are marketed as these powerful, fast-acting solutions for catalytic converters and emissions problems. The thing is, aggressive chemistry isn't always safe chemistry. Really strong solvents might give you this sudden cleaning effect, but they can also stress sensors, move debris into the catalytic converter, and just create new problems while trying to fix old ones. So that means a simple additive can turn into a repair bill that costs way more than the product was ever worth. If a cleaner claims to solve everything overnight, honestly, be skeptical. Scam number 6. Multi-purpose miracle blends. These are, honestly, the most dangerous products on the shelf. They're often marketed as 5-in-1 or 7-in-1 miracle formulas that claim to clean injectors, intake valves, combustion chambers, O2 sensors, and catalytic converters all at once. That sounds pretty impressive, but in engineering there's just no magic formula that can do every job equally well. Most of these products are just weak solvent blends with fancy packaging. They might not clean deeply enough to matter, and in some cases, they can actually create sludge, sensor issues, or even more buildup in modern engines. When a product claims to do everything, it usually does nothing well. What actually works? Now, let's get to the good part. There are real fuel system cleaners that can help, but they usually have one thing in common. They contain meaningful levels of PEA, or polyethyramine. PEA is the ingredient you want to look for when the goal is serious deposit removal. Unlike weak detergents, PEA can survive the combustion process and reach the areas where hardened carbon forms. That makes a huge difference. Real solution. Number 1. Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus. If there is one name that stands out in the fuel cleaner category, it is Chevron Techron Concentrate Plus. This is one of the most respected PEA-based cleaners on the market. It is designed to clean fuel injectors, intake valves, piston tops, and combustion chamber deposits. That is exactly what a serious cleaner should do. It is also trusted enough to be rebranded and sold by major automakers, which says a lot about its credibility. If you want a safe, ausstauger and non-safe, proven option, this is one of the strongest places to start. Real solution number 2. Royal Purple Max Clean. Royal Purple Max Clean is a strong choice for modern vehicles and cars that sit for long periods. It is designed not only to clean, but also to help maintain the fuel system over time. That makes it especially useful for drivers dealing with ethanol-blended fuel, storage issues, or high-performance engines that need consistent protection. If you want something that combines cleaning and prevention, this is a solid premium option. Real solution number 3. Gumout Regane High Mileage. If you want a more budget-friendly option, Gumout Regane High Mileage is worth a look. The key is to make sure you are buying the Regane version, because that is the line that contains real PEA. It gives you strong cleaning performance without the premium price of some competitors. For many drivers, that makes it one of the best value choices available. Real solution number 4. Redline SI1 Complete Fuel System Cleaner. For severe carbon buildup, rough running, or neglected vehicles, Redline SI1 is one of the strongest retail options. It is known for a high concentration of PE and is often recommended when an engine needs a more aggressive cleaning treatment. This is not the product for casual maintenance only. This is the product for engines that need serious help. Used correctly, it can help restore smoother performance and cleaner operation.